Ooh, what's up YouTube? We got Simo's car in today and we're gonna do ourselves an oil change. So, let's get it.
What's going on, guys? My name is Christopher Morris, aka Simo. This is Scarlett, right?
AKA Nina McQueen.
You know, good old stock.
Yes.
AM intake, thanks to my boy Georgie, aka Zombie 5.0. You know, just doing a little maintenance, oil change. Y'all should know how to do it yourself, but you know, video anyway.
Ooh, kill him.
And this is 7, I believe.
Focus. Oh, you got to get the picture.
Get the picture, god darn it!
We've got the house mascot here, Blue. Isn't that right, boy? Alright, what is Nina McQueen doing now?
Looking for
The wrench?
yeah.
Ándale.
Oh no!
Oh, it's spewing everywhere.
Oh my god, I can't get it.
Come on, bitch. 12 hours later.
Insert here the 12 hours later thing.
Oh my god, bro. My hands are slipping. Come on, bitch. You almost there.
God damn, I'm taking 2 hands? Sure you need a tool done? Oh, there it goes.
Oh, damn. I tried. This is not on the concrete.
Yeah?
What it looks like, though, it looks like you bit off your other threads in here. The threads are there. You just bit off your threads on the pen.
The notorious Simo.
Hey,
Oh, fucking shit up. This is like, what, the second bolt I broke?
You should probably stop working on your car, man.
Ah!
So as of right now, Simo went to Pep Boys to go pick up a bolt because he stripped his shit. So the reason why we believe that he stripped the bolt is because he was coming at an angle instead of going directly into the actual hole for the oil pan. And that's what happens. Hand tighten it first, and you shouldn't have that problem, but if you get a little too antsy, that's when mistakes are made. So you guys pretty much noticed by now, the last time you guys seen Simo on the vlog, his car was out of commission. He fucked up his bolts for his brake, so just continues the saga, right? So maybe the next time Simo comes to get something else might break. Hopefully he could break it, but we'll see.